You don't want to run for the YouTube? Okay. I just changed. I will say thank you everyone for all the codes this drop. I'm eating breakfast right now. Really? Really? Get off me. Alright, so I made some toast, some cottage cheese, and some protein powder with maple syrup. Also, I saw this was discounted, you know, I show speed Prime, so I was like, why not? I checked the flavor, dragon fruit acai. I love acai, so I was like, might as well. My coffee machine stopped working. I do want to talk about my foot, update you guys on my foot. As you know, I sprained my ankle, inflamed and everything. It looked puffy. It looked like shit. I had this company reach out to me, a peptide company. They told me, hey, we're gonna hook you up with BPC. I was like, would that even help? Really? They're like, yeah, it's gonna help. Inject twice. I've been doing it like once though. Literally less than a week, I started walking again, but I'm walking on a boot now instead of crutches, which is like, I'm so thankful. Crutches are so taxing and I get sweaty and hot. Potassium max real quick. I'm not gonna lie, I drank one yesterday and then I'm drinking one right now for a pre-workout like drink. I can never finish it though. It's just so strong. But yeah, look at the compression. This is a small. Keep in mind. I weigh like high 170s. I think I'm 178 right now, 177. I'm like 5'11 and a half, 6 foot, around there. Oh, I was literally filling up the stupid drink. Okay, I kind of want to take the label off just because like I don't want to get clowned on at the gym. Shit. Pouring water in it, and the dead ass just went all over me. No Jaden getting pissed at me because I haven't gone out yet, but I told him I was gonna take a shit. I'm not gonna lie though, I miss Nick and Alex. I know you guys want a video with us together. Ask Alex if he wants to come down with me to go visit Nick, because Nick doesn't even live in Florida. He doesn't even live. He lives in Florida, but he doesn't live near me anymore, which is kind of sad. But we split different ways. We still got the same goals, you know. So we're chasing that shit. It's also pretty crazy to think that a year ago I would post on YouTube a lot. I didn't really care about the views. I cared about the memories, to be honest. Everything that I'm doing now is because I want to look back at it and just see how far I've gone. But also, I do want to inspire you guys to work out. You guys could leave all the hate comments you want, but all I want to tell you guys is I love you guys no matter what. And I want to inspire you guys to keep on going, seriously. I never want to stop this shit. And that's going to be a fact. It's going to be a fact. I want to do this shit forever. Yes. If I could stay this age forever, I would. I think now, honestly, I have more freedom than before. So you're going to see a lot more crazy shit on my YouTube, definitely, in the next couple of months and weeks. And I also want to tell you guys that I'm going to be going up to Cali again pretty soon. I gotta grab a towel because we're gonna go to the beach. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna be so honest and open, but I used to smoke weed a lot. I haven't smoked in like 2 weeks and a half, and I'm kind of liking this. I really do like not touching anything. Oi? My mom's outside. O carro dele, nós foi na praia.
Você vai descalça?
Eu trouxe shot.
Tem um monte de shot de coisa aqui também.
Quer falar oi?
Oi.
Fala hi YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Te amo.
Você comeu?
Sim. What's up? Luciano. So be careful at the beach. I had to take the logo off of my Prime bottle because I don't want to get clowned on.
Should I take it off?
I had to cut mine off. It was so hard to take off. I filled it up with water too, like after I was like finished drinking it, and then like it started pouring all over me. I didn't pay attention. So what's up?
What's going on? We're heading back today.
Is it Tadalafil day or no?
Dude, we've taken that shit like, dude. We've taken it out of the past 4 days. We've taken it twice.
I went to sleep early and everything, bro. Like my alarm just didn't wake me up.
I went to sleep at like 1:30.
Okay, bro, same. Okay, no lie. I'll be on the Discord a lot. If you guys haven't joined the Discord.
Discord link in bio.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, this is sick. Take some pre.
Yo, bro, don't look at the bottom. How did that work so perfectly?
I might do half. Ugh. My voice crack.
Should I just put the honey in here? I don't really want to drink it straight up.
And I don't know if it's gonna mix well. Is it?
We'll find out.
That's still ghost. We're gonna hit some back and buy.
We're gonna hit some back shots, some biceps. This is gonna taste so weird. If you guys are not potassium maxing,
No, this shit has way too much though. Like potassium.
really?
Yeah. You're gonna feel sick after drinking like a little bit more than half.
700 grams.
Heard something about it causing cancer.
700 milligrams. Yo, put honey in it, trust.
Really?
It mixes.
I'll try. Tell me when to stop.
Just keep going. Stop. Mango.
Mango.
Bro, the carbs are kicking in. Can you see it?
Yeah.
You guys fuck with the fit? We got the crimson red on, and then we got like ditch pants, and then we got the Doc Martens, and then we got the boot. Show your fit. Come on.
Slipknot shirt, keeping the new metal theme. Pajama pants, got the flax wheats, and the keys.
Oh yeah. All right. So we decided that we're gonna work out at US, and like we usually do work out at US, but we're gonna go to this different one.
They have an influencer room,
Quote unquote influencer room, so / posing room, right?
Yeah.
This one looks a lot bigger. It looks like a Walmart almost, or a mall. Hidden talent?
Alright, ready? Pointer finger
How the fuck?
on my pointer finger. On my thumb.
What the fuck, bro? This is crazy.
On my pinky.
On his pinky? Oh shit.
On my ring finger.
On his ring finger? Oh fuck.
My middle finger. And then
For the huzz?
on my other hand.
No, seriously, bro. But at the same time, it's been raining all the time. It's like the only time it's been like somewhat sunny.
Yeah, that's right, everyone's here. Do you go in the water?
Yeah? You know?
Yeah, dude. It's gonna be cold. What?
Bro, if this cam was waterproof. Oh, I brought a waterproof GoPro.
You did?
Yes. Yo. It's cold?
Yeah.
Fuck it, bro.
Yo, you didn't even feel it yet.
Oh. Okay, it's pretty cold. It's recording. What's up, guys? Alright, let's do this, bro.
Dude, I am so white, it's unbelievable.
Oh, we're literally like a blank piece of paper right now. Oh, it's so cold. How is he doing that? Ah. Yo, it's not that bad. Okay, it's pretty bad. How's the lighting? Where's the waves?
These shallow waters never meant what I needed.
You think it picks up underwater?
A deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Alright, I could low-key do it right here.
Yeah,
Wonder what? GoPro is low-key goated right now. Oh shit! Oh! How nice the beach looks. Oh, people, bro. Only 6 months.
Yeah.
What's up? Is that last bread?
Yeah.
Alright, we're leaving the beach. That shit was fun. It was pretty cold though.
Water was fucking freezing, dude.
Yeah. I'd say it was like what, like 60 degrees?
Probably like 65.
65.
70.
Hey, bro. Deerfield Beach. This is the place where I grew up.
Both of our knees are just killing us right now, dude.
BPC like really helped my ankle so much. Oh. There's one over there too, on the concrete. There's a lot of sand over here. Bro, is that a bottle of piss? Is that piss?
Probably.
Ew. Yeah. All right, we're at Poyu. We just got some food, rice, beans, everything, you know, chicken. Got some rice, beans, Guacamole. What the fuck is a vegetarian? Like,
Huh?
vegetarian comes with what?
Nothing. I didn't.
If you guys enjoyed,
We'll see you
like and
guys
subscribe.
in the next one. We out.